Hi everyone, I'm Krista Seiden, Analytics Advocate at Google, and today I'm joined by Avi, who is a Product Manager on Google Analytics, responsible for all of our integrations with Google Analytics and our other Google products. And today, Avi is going to tell us about a new feature in Google Analytics that I'm really excited about. It's self-serve linking with Google Analytics and Doubleclick Bid Manager. So Avi, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to you.
Sure, thank you. So we have this great integration between Analytics 360 and Doubleclick Bid Manager.
Yeah, that's true. You know, as an analyst, I actually love the fact that I can get that double-click data into analytics and see the clicks and the impressions and the cost data and be able to analyze that across all of my analytics data. Also, you can create audiences from analytics and share them with DoubleClick.
Yeah, exactly. And the integration works pretty seamlessly, but one of the challenges for customers to get started is to do the actual linking between the accounts on Analytics 360 and Doubleclick Bid Manager.
Yep.
Today, the linking is all manual, which means you have to get in touch with your Google rep to do the actual linking. And this gets worse if you every time you create a new account, you have to do the linking again.
Yep.
So what we are talking about today, or what we are launching, is a self-service way to do this linking, which means you as a customer can go in the Analytics UI and do the actual linking yourself.
It's going to be so important.
Yeah, so let me show you how. So we'll start here in the admin panel, and you'll see a section under product linking that says DoubleClick Digital Marketing. You click on that, and whichever products you are linking to or you have the option to link, you'll see them here. So let's click on DoubleClick Bid Manager linking. Now, any user that comes here will be able to see all the existing links that you have. So here I already have one existing link which is shown up here. But only if you are the property admin is when you will be able to see the new DBM link button. So let's see you click on this button. And now we are looking at all the accounts on Bid Manager side that you have permission to link. So the first step is you have to select your Bid Manager Advertiser account that you want to link to this property. And it's really convenient because wherever you have admin privileges on the Bid Manager partner level, we'll pull in all the advertisers from there and show this to you in a nice drop-down format. So here, let me select a couple of them. Let me select the Dino World, and let me select, let's say, the Google Store. And I can see all the other accounts that I have access to, and I can choose to select whichever I want. But let's go with 2. And it says already that a new link will be created for every advertiser that you select. So let's continue. And there is some housekeeping link configuration information. So I can say, let's say this is my DBM demo linking. And then you select which views you want access, which views should be able to access this data. So let's say we select our master view for now. And it is telling you that, hey, when you do this linking, we will enable auto tagging on your DoubleClick Bid Manager accounts, which just means that we are able to identify this traffic in GA and call them source medium as DBM/CPM. And it's also telling you that you need to enable advertising features in case you haven't done that, because we rely on DoubleClick cookies in order for this integration to work. There is this other checkbox or drop-down which is called Advanced Settings, and this is telling you what exact data will be shared over the link once it gets created. So we are telling you about remarketing lists or audience lists that Krista was telling, which you can create in Google Analytics and export them to Bid Manager. And you can import reporting data. So this is your impressions, clicks, and cost data, and all the other campaign information back into Google Analytics. And as a sub-bullet to reporting, you have the option to import cost data. Now I want to call out the cost data from DBM is the aggregate cost data. This is equivalent to what you know as revenue in Bid Manager. So we never import the more granular breakdowns, but we would just import the higher level aggregate revenue data. And let's say you configure all of this, and all you need to do is just click on Create Link. And now we are automatically looking at whether you have the permissions to create this link, and we are on the fly creating this link in both the systems, in Google Analytics and Bid Manager. So I think hopefully this should go through pretty soon. And there you are. So you have these 2 new links that have been created. Both of them are titled the same. You can easily click into it and then change the settings that you want. But you can see these are the 2 advertiser IDs that you added, and the partner IDs. You can easily configure your views in case you want to give access to more views for this. You can just do that here, and this goes through. I can also pretty quickly click back and edit some of these settings. So I can say, hey, I want to edit some of the advanced settings. You can go back, you can link more views, you can change the title to, let's say, reflect the name of the advertiser. In this case, I'm going to call it Dino World. And you can go to advanced settings at any time, and you can switch off any type of export or import that you already configured ahead of time. You can just do update link, and it's as simple as that. It basically gets edited and gets confirmed instantly. So that's how you create a new DBM link.
Thanks, Avi. That was super simple, yet a feature that is going to be so powerful for a lot of our advanced users. So thank you very much for sharing, and thank you guys for listening.